in the bag if you would rather do that. Why does it say no horses? Reminds me a little bit of the Wade Mountain Trail. That one's an interesting one because it's like, here's this mountain. Huh? It's just kind of like, here's this random mountain right outside of a neighborhood. I think he is. Whoa. Are you taking a selfie with the spotter?
No.
Oh. No, I was about to say that, alright, that's a pretty cool trail. Probably the guy can end up being like oh, my battery's been out of there. It is? I thought you said it had like 3 hours in it. I had 3 hours of memory. Oh. Even with this battery pack fully charged. The battery oh wow. No, the only reason I was thinking about getting an iPhone really is having videos. Oh yeah. Like every day. There's a picture of a video. Whew!
Gav!
You think there's people up in that cave?
Gavin! What you doing? What you doing, buddy? He's just not gonna...
Thinking about it, that's probably what some of those people were parked over there for. Think they're up in the cave? They're up in the cave. Cave dwellers? Yeah. If you had big old LED head, you know, flashlight, you're just walking around and you look up and this giant rock thing. And then there's people climbing up. And that might be about the scale right there. Right there. I love that story of the swimming this year. That's an American beach. Dad, is that tree worth some money?
No.
It's a big one though.
Yeah. It's good for the animals. The American beech tree, that is.
For the American. Oh.
But a new one would have cost
To a bush hog? To Decatur.
700, over 700.
Oh yeah.
Almost 800.
I had to go there 4 times.
For that TV, right?
For that TV. There and back, there and back. I mean, to there to drop it off, there again, pick it up, there to drop it off again, there, pick it up again.
No, I was just saying that.
So, right there where that TV place was right by the pest control, whatever, the corporate office.
I'm saying where I'm at, where I'm working is on the south side.
Oh.
Where the belt line.
Belt line, okay, that's what I was wondering if you could hear that part.
Yeah, got the spider with that
Yeah,
one.
because I had asked Lizzie, I said, is that where they live? Not too far from the belt line?
Yeah.
Belt line's pretty long though.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff right there.
Yeah.
So do you bring your lunch every day? You don't go out to eat for lunch?
I mean, I could, but I just think for as
But you probably need to spend your own money on that.
Yeah, I mean, I could, but I mean, as far as I drive, I might as well just stay there the whole time.
Right. Maximize your hours.
It's only 12 an hour.
That's pretty good. My first job was like $8 an hour, okay, buddy? And Dad's first job was like
$1.60.
$1.60.
I mean, I worked it there.
And then it went up to $1.90. I thought, man, that is something already.
It's something else. Yeah, but it's all relative.
It is.
That didn't cost as much then, so.
Gas was like 32 cents a gallon.
It gets whiny.
So far, he's loving.
I mean,
Yes, like
he
it.
had the pass he was down for a little bit.
We haven't been gone too long. It says 48 minutes. But I guess a 48-minute mile is not, it's not the fastest mile.
You can't really
Kind of got to consider the
really
terrain.
know.